Hi guys. So today is a fun day because we're going to take those sentences and turn them into a story. So remember, you were working on making 5 sentences that started with an uppercase and ended with a stop sign. Today, you get to pick one of those to write a whole story about. So the sentence that I wrote that I'm going to use is about a girl named Kaylee, and she's actually not really a girl. When I had written about her as a character, I said she's a newborn baby. So she's a girl, but a newborn baby. And her fear is that she's afraid of spiders crawling on her face. So if I start with a sound word, right, that's my tip to you that when you write your story today, start with a sound word to get your reader's attention. So I'm trying to think what kind of sound would happen if it's a baby, she's not going to talk. Um, Maybe a crying sound. Maybe she's gonna wah wah. Maybe a sound like that. Okay, so I'm gonna say, how do you spell wah? Wah wah. I'm kind of making it up. Wah wah. Went Kaylee, the newborn baby. And then I have to explain why was she crying? Um, wah wah went Kaylee, the newborn baby. Maybe I'll write about her mom now. Um, Her mom rushed over to see what was the matter. Her mother rushed over to see what was wrong. And then I'm going to use, I gave you guys a list of sentence starters to use. Um, and I'm going to use one from there. I wrote all of a sudden. I wrote after that, believe it or not. Her mother rushed over to see what was wrong. Believe it or not, there were, how many spiders should be on her? There were 10 black spiders crawling all over the baby's face. Ooh, scary. There were 10 black spiders crawling all over baby Kaylee's face. And I am capitalizing Kaylee because she's a proper noun. It's her name. All over baby Kaylee's face. Kaylee just kept crying. She was so afraid. And I think I want to try another sound word. I'm looking at the word list I gave you guys. Bang, no. How is mom gonna get these spiders off of her? Maybe whoosh. Um, Mom took a tissue and grabbed them all off and threw them out. That could maybe be my ending. Whoosh. Mom used a tissue to grab all the spiders and flushed them down the toilet. And then I kind of need an ending. Maybe I'll say, in the end, Kaylee was happy again. Okay, so that is an example of my story, taking one of my sentences and expanding it into a story. It's your turn to get out your student notebook and pick one of your sentences from yesterday and turn it into a story. You got this.